Quick Tesla turbine update. We do have a situation with the jets that are deep inside of the casing right now. They can get blocked, so I want to prevent that. And I don't want to put too many parts on the outside which can use up the energy in our fluid. But I have a plan. Let's get to it. So one of my favorite sayings in engineering and product design is the best part is no part.
Best part is no part.
So I want to put a filter cartridge inside here, but I would have to custom make the filter cartridge to fit inside here. So I got the parts to do that. It should be relatively quick and easy, and it'll be easy to extract and change if we need to do that. I've got this 20mm stainless steel scrap pipe, which I'm going to use to make filter cartridges. So this fitting fits inside the turbine, which allows us to put the fluid in, and then the cartridge, which I'm going to make out of this stainless steel pipe, is then going to fit inside this fitting nice and tight. And once it's nice and tight there, we can seal it over here, and then the fluid will only flow from there into there, and it won't go past this part here. So according to my vernier, the depth of the thread that goes into the turbine is about 1/2 metric inch.